How to make money on Spotify, 6 actionable ways. Welcome to our guide on making money on Spotify. With over 182 million users, Spotify is the most famous music platform worldwide. However, many artists are still unsure how to monetize their music effectively. If you're an independent artist, it can be challenging to keep your passion alive without adequate funding and appreciation. But don't worry. It's your right to get paid for your hard work and talent. So, let's explore 6 actionable ways to make money on Spotify, so you can continue to thrive in your musical journey. Can you make money on Spotify? Absolutely. You can make money on Spotify if your music resonates well with listeners. Like any other music streaming platform, Spotify has policies that enable artists to generate revenue from their tracks. The platform follows a pay-per-stream policy, which means artists earn money every time someone plays their songs. This revenue model ultimately revolves around royalties. Spotify pays royalties to all relevant stakeholders who play a role in creating and distributing a track. In 2025 alone, Spotify paid over $7 billion in royalties to record labels and emerging artists. Besides royalties, there are several other methods to generate income on Spotify. Let's dive into some of these opportunities. 6 different ways to make money on Spotify. Here are various official and unofficial methods to earn money through Spotify. Implementing these strategies correctly can lead to excellent results. 1. Artist royalty. Artist royalty, often referred to as master use royalty, is the amount Spotify pays directly to the artist. If you're an independent artist, you will earn money for every stream of your music. Currently, Spotify pays around $0.003 to $0.005 per stream on average. Although this payout is relatively low compared to other streaming platforms, it's still a primary source of income for many artists. 2. Mechanical royalties. Mechanical royalties are intended for the songwriters who pen the lyrics of a song published on Spotify. Unlike most streaming services, Spotify does not directly pay this royalty to independent songwriters. Instead, it is sent to a collection society, and the songwriters' publishing administrators are responsible for collecting the funds. 3. Performance royalties. Performance royalties are for artists who both write the lyrics and publish their tracks independently. This form of royalty acts as a blend of artist and mechanical royalties since it compensates both the writer and the performer. 4. Selling merchandise. As an artist, selling merchandise can be a lucrative stream of income. You can promote your gear through your Spotify profile, engaging fans directly. High-quality merchandise can create a strong brand presence and provide additional revenue beyond streaming. 5. Live performances. While your Spotify music gets you listeners, live performances can convert those listeners into loyal fans. Concerts and gigs not only provide substantial income but also help build your audience and enhance your visibility. 6. Crowdfunding. Crowdfunding is another exciting method for artists looking to enhance their income. Platforms focusing on music can help you connect with your audience more personally while allowing listeners to contribute financially, supporting your projects or next album. Conclusion. Contrary to popular belief, there are numerous revenue streams for artists on Spotify beyond traditional royalties. From artist royalties to selling merchandise, exploring all these options can empower you to make a living from your passion for music. Remember, while making music might be your primary focus, understanding how to monetize it effectively is crucial for long-term success and sustainability. Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.